Building your own home is more than just construction. It's a journey of self-expression and creation. It's about laying the foundation for a future filled with memories, laughter, and the comfort of a space designed entirely around your needs and desires. It's about creating a space that's truly yours, a sanctuary reflecting your unique personality and lifestyle. Imagine a home where every corner tells a story, where the layout flows seamlessly with your daily routines, and where the ambiance resonates with your soul. Every detail, from the selection of kitchen cabinets that perfectly match your culinary aspirations to the strategic placement of windows that capture the most breathtaking views, is your choice. You have the power to curate an environment that inspires, nurtures, and elevates your everyday living. This isn't just a house, it's a reflection of your family, your values, and your dreams. It's a place where you can build lasting connections, create cherished traditions, and watch your loved ones flourish in an environment that fosters growth and happiness. Many people embark on the custom building path because they can't find exactly what they envision on the existing market. They're tired of settling for compromises and yearn for a home that truly aligns with their unique needs and preferences. Custom building means no compromises. It's about having the freedom to bring your vision to life without being constrained by the limitations of pre-existing structures or generic designs. You design a floor plan that fits your life, perfectly tailored to your specific needs and aspirations. Whether you desire an open-concept living space for entertaining, a cozy reading nook for relaxation, or a state-of-the-art home office for productivity, the possibilities are endless. Each stage, from pouring the foundation, the very bedrock of your future home, is a testament to your commitment and vision. To raising the walls, watching your dream take shape brick by brick is a milestone. It's a tangible representation of your hard work and dedication, a symbol of the home you're creating for yourself and your loved ones. You'll learn about design, materials, and craftsmanship, connecting you deeply to your home. This intimate knowledge will not only enhance your appreciation for the space but also empower you to maintain and personalize it for years to come. Knowing every nook and cranny creates a special bond that's priceless. It's a sense of ownership and pride that comes from being intimately involved in the creation of your living space. Building a home is an investment in your future and happiness, a legacy that will enrich your life and the lives of generations to come. It's about creating a legacy, a tangible symbol of your family's history, values, and aspirations. A place for your family to grow and thrive, to create memories that will be cherished for a lifetime. It's a haven where they can feel safe, loved, and inspired to pursue their dreams. The sense of accomplishment when you hold the keys is unmatched, a culmination of your vision, hard work, and unwavering determination. If you're considering it, know it's challenging but incredibly fulfilling. It's an experience that will transform you, deepen your appreciation for the art of building, and leave you with a profound sense of pride and satisfaction. Before you even begin to think about blueprints, the layout of rooms, or the perfect shade of paint colors for your walls, you need to secure the right land. This is the foundation upon which your entire dream will be built, so it's crucial to get it right. Location is everything. It dictates not only your view but also your lifestyle. Remember, you can always change and renovate your house, add extensions, or even completely remodel it, but you absolutely cannot change its spot. The location is permanent. Consider your lifestyle. What truly matters to you in your day-to-day life? Is it city convenience with easy access to restaurants, shops, and cultural attractions? Or do you crave rural peace, the tranquility of nature, and wide open spaces? Think about your commute, the quality of nearby schools if you have or plan to have children, and the proximity to loved ones, family, and friends. These are all crucial factors that will impact your happiness and well-being. Carefully evaluate the land slope. A steep slope can significantly increase building costs. Consider sun exposure, noting how the sunlight falls on the property throughout the day. And pay close attention to the surroundings. What are the views like, and how close are the neighboring houses? Walk the property at different times of day to get a feel for the light, noise levels, and overall atmosphere. Thoroughly research zoning regulations and the availability of utilities. Extending utility services to a remote location can be surprisingly costly, so factor that into your budget early on. Check the neighborhood vibe, the sense of community, and the proximity to local shops and essential amenities. Ultimately, the right location is about finding a community where you feel you truly belong, a place where you can put down roots and thrive. Choosing wisely is the crucial first step, paving the way to successfully building your dream home and a fulfilling life within it. Now, the fun truly begins. This is where your dreams start to take shape, where abstract ideas transform into tangible plans. It's an exciting journey, filled with possibilities and the promise of creating a space that's uniquely yours. It's time for the core of the project, designing your home. This is more than just drawing lines on paper. It's about crafting an environment that reflects your lifestyle, your values, and your aspirations. Start with how you live. Really analyze your daily routines. Consider every aspect of your life, from morning coffee to evening relaxation. Think about entertaining. How often do you host gatherings? What kind of space do you need to comfortably accommodate your guests? Do you prefer formal dinner parties or casual get-togethers? Consider working from home. A dedicated workspace can significantly boost productivity and well-being. Think about the kind of environment that inspires you and helps you focus. Don't forget storage needs. Adequate storage is essential for maintaining a clutter-free and organized home. Think about everything you need to store, from seasonal decorations to everyday essentials. Once you've considered your lifestyle, make a must-have list. This list should include all the features and amenities that are non-negotiable for you. Now it's time to work with an architect or designer. These professionals have the expertise to translate your vision into a practical and aesthetically pleasing design. They'll help you to turn ideas into blueprints. They'll consider factors like structural integrity, building codes, and energy efficiency. Professionals help you avoid pitfalls. Their experience can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. They also know how to maximize space. They can help you create a layout that's both functional and visually appealing. Be clear about your budget and priorities right from the start. This will help your architect or designer create a plan that's both realistic and aligned with your goals. Review sketches carefully, give feedback openly, and don't hesitate to request changes, even if they seem minor. Your satisfaction is paramount. It's far easier to adjust plans now, while they're still on paper, than during the actual construction process, when changes can be costly and time-consuming. Scrutinize every detail, no matter how small it may seem. From room sizes to outlet placement, every element contributes to the overall functionality and comfort of your home. Remember, final blueprints are your builder's instruction manual. They provide the roadmap for bringing your vision to life. Detailed plans keep everyone on the same page throughout the construction process, ensuring clear communication and collaboration. This will prevent costly mistakes and ensure that your home is built to your exact specifications. A well-designed blueprint, therefore, is the roadmap to your dream home, the key to unlocking the potential of your vision. This is where your vision becomes reality, where your dreams take physical form, and where you create a space that you'll cherish for years to come. Before building, you must tackle permits and paperwork. Every city has rules to ensure safe, up-to-code construction. Submit your blueprints for review. This can take weeks, so plan for it. You'll need permits for building, electrical, plumbing, and more. Your contractor usually handles this, but stay informed. Inspectors will check key stages to ensure everything's done right. Passing inspections is essential for a safe, legal home. With permits in hand, construction begins. The site is prepped, foundation poured, and your home's footprint appears. Framing goes up fast, turning plans into real rooms. Exterior is sealed, then plumbing, wiring, and HVAC are installed. Skilled trades coordinate to get everything right before walls close up. Insulation, drywall, and finishes follow. Flooring, cabinets, fixtures. Each step transforms the site into a livable home. Soon you're ready to move in. Building a home is a big investment, but smart planning keeps costs in check. Set a detailed budget, including a contingency fund for surprises. Stick to your plan. Changes during construction drive up costs. Simple designs are more affordable. Rectangular footprints and 2 stories save money. Shop smart for materials. Mix high-end and budget-friendly options. Salvage yards and overstock stores can offer great deals. Consider DIY for finishing touches if you have the skills and time. Even small tasks like cleanup can save on labor. Be realistic. Choose projects you can handle to avoid costly mistakes. Congratulations! Now it's time to turn your new house into a home. Unpack your memories. Photos, art, and familiar furniture make it yours. Add comfort with rugs, curtains, pillows, and throws. Scent and sound matter. Candles, music, and laughter bring warmth. Don't rush. Let your home evolve as you settle in. Live in the space before making big decorating decisions. The best homes grow and change with their families. Enjoy this final phase. Fill your home with life and love. You've built the structure, now fill it with laughter, welcome home.